everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the basics of a DAO. So right now as we're talking, Jacob Toucans, the founder of Emerald City, but also the founder of Float and Token, is currently trying to create a testnet version of this Toucan so that you don't have to put in real money to create a DAO. So, but basically DAO stands for Decentralized Autonomous Organization, and I highly recommend everyone to watch the tutorial I've created on Emerald City to enable you to get a basic understanding. Just as a reminder, I've done a course here, so that's some of the basics, but I created a course on Cadence called Dance and Grow Rich. And basically, if you go, I think here, the star, you can collect the wallet, of course. You can go straight to DAO here, and then you can see the video I've created just to get a quick intro on what is DAO. So connect your wallet. Yeah, let's use this. Let's use, let's say, okay, we can use that one. I don't see any problem with that. Yeah, and then you click on this button. So then it asks you, do you want a DAO on its own, or do you want a DAO with token? As you can see, it costs about 200 Flow, which is equivalent about $200, which might be about, I think, give or take, to 20,000 rupees. So let's say we want to do that. So remember, this part is when we need to pay. So I'm going to do the whole thing for you for now. So let's call it the MetaPharmacy DAO. Yeah, it's asking for a logo. So let's create a logo on scenario, generate image, signature. That looks kind of cool. So let's call it health and well-being. I'm not sure what's going to come up, but let's try anyway. Generate image. Yeah, because it's asking for like a logo, but the logo itself can be just the thing itself. So let's wait for it. Okay, that's I quite like that. So let's go with this. Yeah, save image. And also a tip is you can put it here, but also you can add text. And a good way to add text would be Canva. That's what I recommend for everyone. So you click on logo. Let's say logo, clothing logo. Create blank clothing. So you kind of set up the template for you. Upload image and download this one. And then, sorry, my bad. Tac. You drag it up. Yeah. And then on text, let's call it, you can pick let's say, a ready-made text. So let's pick one that's quite healthy. I quite like that. So let's call it MetaPharmacy. So that's quite big, so we're going to reduce the size. And then DAO here. Yeah. As you can see, the spacing is here, but I think you should be able to adjust here. Or maybe not. I think it's locked. Maybe this one. Okay, it's okay. It's not the end of the world. MetaPharmacy DAO. Oh, you can ungroup, sorry, my bad. And then you can bring it close. I think you should be able to bring, yeah, that's it. And bring it in the middle. Okay, it's looking good. Then you can group it. I think you can group it together. Yeah, group. Reduce the size. And then you can put it here or here. Yeah. So it can be something like this as an example. Or if you wanted to make it easier on you, you can put a heading here. MetaPharmacy DAO. Yeah. We do it in one line. And then you can change the color. I think you have to highlight it with that. Let's pick white so it stands out more. Put it here. Slightly reduce the size. And boom! MetaPharmacy DAO. Yeah, we can put it here or here. Let's leave it down, yeah. Download. Download it, go back to the DAO, open the file. It's asking for banner. For banner, probably for banner, good point. For this, let's go for another generator. Maybe let's go for landscape. Maybe for landscape, we want to go for cartoonish. Maybe let's go with IT anime, maybe, wait, signature, portrait. Let me think, dreamy, environment art. As you can see, there's a lot of choice to pick from. It's really up to you on which one you want to go for. Lofi, concept art, graphic novel. Okay, now let's go with this one. Same prompt, health and well-being. Oh, you can change the dimension as well, right? Oh, it's okay. But basically, you can change the dimension. But it's okay, not to worry. Let's wait. But as a reminder, it's about 200 flow. But Jacob Tucker at this moment is creating a testnet version where the participant of the hackathon can play around with the platform without paying anything. So testnet is to play around, and then mainnet is when you have to pay for the real thing. As you can see, it's some very beautiful picture. I'm going to pick that one, download, banner image, team environment. Yeah, next. Description. MetaPharmacy DAO for let's say enabling pharmacy student to future proof their career. Yeah, and the long description, you can make a longer one. So tag it will act as a think tank for farms, for entrepreneurial student to create the foundation of the pharmacy in a metaverse. I think, is it more or sugar? Okay, I don't know how many more I have to put. I guess a lot more, but you get the gist of it. I don't know if I need it's compulsory or not. I hope not, but let's try anyway. Next. And then the website. So the website could be MetaPharmacy. Let's call it IPA-SF. So IPA-SF. IPA-SF, yeah. Okay, so you can just remove it. And then Twitter. Okay, let's use IPF as well. Search IPA-SF. Tac. Discord. Well, there's one already for Discord. For the thing which is here. Invite people. Copy. Close that. Tac. Remove the thing above. So now we have the website, which can be MetaPharmacy. It could be even the link of your X-Assassin, a Twitter page that you have. Let me check something. Okay, I thought so. This one, you just remove this, just become at. And that's this remaining part. And next, Flow. So in a nutshell, it enables you to track the people that are part of the treasury. It then Flow or US dollar. Let's go fit Flow. And then boom, MetaPharmacy for enabling MetaPharmacy website, Twitter. As you can see, I don't have much money. But then at the moment I click that, I can generate the DAO if I have enough money. And that's it. And you create a DAO, which is basically a decentralized organization, almost like a membership club. Yeah.